Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Etsy for order processing workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Etsy seller account. Locate the Shop Manager option on the top right corner of the page. Click on Settings from the drop-down menu. In the Settings menu, find and select the Integrations tab. Scroll down to the Etsy API section. Click on the Authorize Apps button. You will be directed to a new page where you can manage app authorizations. Look for the option to generate a new API key. Once you find the Generate API Key button, click on it. Copy the newly generated API key to your clipboard. Now, head to your preferred order processing application. Find the section in the app for integrating with Etsy. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the relevant field. Follow any additional prompts required by the application for a complete setup. Make sure to save your changes in the application. Return to your Etsy account to verify the integration. Check that the application is now listed under your authorized apps. You are now ready to start processing orders through the application. Review the application's documentation for specific order processing guidelines. Ensure that your orders sync correctly to maintain accurate inventory records. You have successfully authorized with Etsy for order processing workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.